Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add background to text in CapCut especially for PC. For example, I'm going to select this one and I'm going to add text. Select the full text and I'm going to change for text. So if you want to add background, you can scroll down until you find background option, just turn on it, and you can select background format, background type 1 or type 2, and you can change for the background color. I just put the opacity, and then can add a rounded rectangle, height, white, and etc. here. So yeah, so basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.